At over-the-counter hearing aids, and the brand we're looking at today is by Elehear, and it's the Beyond model. These were provided by Hears Hearing and Hearables.com to let people know that yes, you can get quality hearing aids without a prescription, and they're called OTC, over-the-counter. Okay, let's look inside. Here's a quick start guide, and you have a user manual. Okay. And then you have your ear domes, multi-function tools. Let's see. Ear domes right here. I'm using my own right here. And they have different sizes. As you can see right here, you've got this 5 mm, 6 mm, 7 mm, 9 mm. Okay. And they've got those there. There. And a brush is right there. I'm not going to take that out. Okay. And here is your USB cable. Okay. Hard shell case. There's your USB port for charging. And we'll open these up. Okay. We've got the hard shell case. Elehear USB-C port for charging, and you can see they've got a full charge. Here is your right ear is always red, and your left ear is always blue. And they fit right in here. Here are your charging ports. And you would install your comfort bud. Just installs right over the tip. There. And most of your hearing aids are going to have apps. Some of them have more features than others. The Elehear connected to Bluetooth really easy. I've had my prescription hearing aids and the Conca hearing aids. I had trouble getting the Bluetooth to recognize until I went through the app. These turned them on. They showed up right away on my iPhone. Okay, we're here at the app. I'm going to tap Beyond. Okay, permission required Bluetooth. Go to settings. Bluetooth is on. Back to the app. All right, we should be good now. All right, connecting. Okay, and we are done. Okay, you can take the survey if you've wanted. Let's begin. Position the hearing aid at the top. Oh, this is a good visual. Continue. To increase the volume, perform a short press. To increase the volume, perform a short press on volume up. You'll hear a beep sound that it was the operation was successful. I will tell you on these, If it sounds a bit distorted or you hear an echo, it's because you have them too loud, so turn them down. You should just hear a clarification of everything that you're hearing. If you need more volume, do it slightly and hesitantly. I think they're going to amplify with a focus on whatever hearing loss you have. Mine, it's the higher ranges. With these, I can really hear the higher ranges a lot, even more so than the lower ranges. So okay, to lower the volume, press the bottom. You'll hear a beep sound. To pause, restart the Bluetooth streaming, press and hold volume down for 2 seconds. That's good to know. Press and hold volume up for 5 seconds to power off. Press and hold same button again for 3 seconds to power on. Okay, position hearing aids parallel to... I didn't know this either. Well, that's good. Okay, provides comfort and stability. Congratulations, you are ready. Okay, hearing function. Let's see what it does with auto. Okay, and then you've got your left, right volumes. Let me turn this one up a little bit. Let me turn on. There we go. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. So turn it up, and it takes about a second to actually hear the difference. What I like to do is turn off both sides and do one at a time. So right now, this is the left. So I can hear my voice. That sounds pretty good. Now so I know that one's at 5, so let me go ahead and adjust this one. Testing, 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 testing. This sounds good to me. Okay, and you can auto enhance, speech enhance. Let me turn this off and see what it does. Okay, I can hear a very slight difference. Tuning left and right. Oh, you can make them brighter or not. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2. Oh, that's really nice. Testing 1, 2, 3. 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 Sounds good. Right, left. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay.
On a peaceful afternoon, Emma decided to take a walk to the top of the hill near her house. The sky was clear, and the gentle breeze felt refreshing.
I'm hearing spoken content on the hearing aids.
The blue sky and the surrounding trees.
Okay, that's good. Okay, left, right. This needs, let me lower this back down. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Test, test, test. Okay, sounds good. I've got the tuning. Phone call boost, all set. Tinnitus, and this will play background noises to camouflage your tinnitus. Okay, let me take that off. These are really nice. You know, I think for this money, there is no way you could go wrong with these. These are only $399 for your hearing. I was incredibly surprised at what you got in a hearing aid for $399, and I would definitely purchase these for myself next time I need a hearing aid. Next week, I'm going to be looking at the higher-end hearing aid by Conca, and those are going to be $12.99, and they're the top of the line for the over-the-counter hearing aids. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I'll see you next week.